Now let us solve problem number 1. Write all the prime numbers between 1 and 20. Now here, first of all, we will have to write 1 to 20 numbers like this. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now, number 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number that we know, so we put a cross on it. Number 2, here number 2 has got only 2 factors, 1 and 2, so it is a prime number. Number 3, it is also a prime number because it has got only 2 factors, 1 and 3. Now we come on 4. 4 has got 1 as a factor, 4 as a factor and 2 as a factor because 2 2s are 4. So here 4 has got 3 factors and hence it cannot be called as prime numbers. Now 5. Number 1 is its factor and number 5 is its another factor. So only 2 factors means it is a prime number. Number 6. 1 is a factor, 6 is a factor and 3 and 2s. 3 2s are 6. These are also its factors. So 4 factors are there for 6 and hence it is not a prime number. Only 2 factors should be there for becoming a prime number. Now here 7. 1 is a factor and 7 is a factor. So this is a prime number. 8. 1 is a factor, 8 is a factor and 4 2s are 8. So 4 is also its factor and hence more than 2 factors, so put a cross on it. Now 9 number. 1 is a factor, 9 is a factor and 3 also is its factor because 3 3s are 9. So put a cross on it. Now 10. 1 is a factor, 10 is a factor and 5 2s are 10. So 4 factors are there for 10. So put a cross on it. We want only 2 factors to become a prime number. Now 11. 1 is a factor and 11 is a factor. So this is a prime number. Now 12 number. 1 is a factor, 12 is a factor and 6 2s are 12. So in between many factors are there and hence it cannot be called as prime number. Now 13. 1 is a factor, 13 is a factor. There are no in between factors for 13. So only 2 factors. So this is a prime number. Now 14. 1 is a factor, 14 is a factor and 7 2s are 14. So 7 and 2 are also its factor. More than 2 factors means it cannot be called as prime number. Now 15. 1 is a factor, 15 is a factor, but in between also 5 3s are 15. So 5 and 3 also become its factors and hence it is not a prime number. Now 16. 1 is a factor, 16 is a factor and 4 4s are 16 and hence more than 2 factors, so this is not a prime number. 17. 1 is a factor, 17 is a factor. In between there are no factors, so only 2 factors for 17, so this is a prime number. 18. 1 is a factor, 18 is the last factor and in between there are 6 3s are 18 and hence 18 is also not a prime number. 19. 1 is a factor and 19 is a factor, in between no factors, so this is a prime number. Now 20. 20 means 1 is a factor, 20 is a factor, but in between there are several factors. 5 4s are 20, 2 10s are 20 and hence this cannot be called as a prime factor. So here we go. Number 2 is a prime factor, 3 is a prime factor, 5 is a prime factor, 7 okay, 11 okay, 13 okay, 17 okay, 19 okay. So as a final answer, we will have to write 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Now Nani, let us go on the next question. Write all the composite numbers between 21 to 30. So first of all, we will write all the numbers between 21 to 30. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29 and 30. Now let us see the factors of 21. 21 has got factors number 1 and 21, and in between there are factors like 3 and 7 because 7 3s are 21. Now we come on 22. Here we will have 1 as the factor, 22 as the factor, and in between 2 and 11 as the factors. Now we come on 23. 23 has got 1 as a factor, 23 as a factor, but in between there is nothing. Now we come on 24. 24 has got 1 as a factor, 24 as a factor, and in between there are several factors. Some of them are like this, 4 into 6 because 6 4s are 24. Now we come on 25. 1 as a factor, 25 as a factor, and in between 5 is a factor because 5 5s are 25. Now we come on 26 number. 26 has got 1 as a factor, 26 as a factor, and in between there are 2 numbers and 13 numbers because 13 2s are 26. We come on 27. 1 as a factor, 27 as a factor, and in between factors like 3 and 9 because 9 3s are 27. Now 28's factor. 1 is a factor, 28 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 14 is a factor, so 14 2s are 28. Now next one, 29. 1 is a factor, 29 is a factor, and in between there is nothing. Now 30. 1 is a factor, 30 is a factor, and in between there are several factors. Some of them we are going to write 2 and 15, 15 2s are 30. Now composite numbers means the numbers which have more than 2 factors. So 21 is a composite number, 22 is a composite number, 23 is not a composite number, 24 is a composite number, 25 is a composite number, 26 again composite number, 27 again composite number, 28 again composite number, 29 is a prime number because it has got only 2 factors, and 30 is a composite number. So our ultimate answer is 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 and 30. Question is, which of the prime numbers are even numbers? We know that only even number 2 is a prime number. Rest of the even numbers are not prime numbers. So we have to write answer 2. Now anybody, the question says that put a circle around prime numbers and a square around composite numbers. So first of all 35. We know that 35 has got 1 factor, 35 factor, and in between 5 and 7 as factors, because 7 5s are 35. So it has got 4 factors, more than 2 factors. So this is a composite number, and we are supposed to put a square around composite number. Now 2. 2 we know that it is a prime number, and hence we circle it. 50. We will have to see the factors 1, 50, and in between we have got 5, 10, etc. as the factors. So this is also a composite number. Put a square around it. Now 60. 60 means we have got 1 as a factor, 60 as a factor, in between several factors like 2, 30, etc. And hence 60 also is a composite factor. So put a square around it, and that finishes our answer. And now the question is, put a circle around co-prime numbers and a square around twin prime numbers. Now co-prime numbers means they come consecutively, एक के बाद एक आते हैं. तो यहाँ एक के बाद एक जो आने वाले हैं वो यही है 25 and 26, and they will be showing only one number as the common factor. For example, 25 has got 1 and 25. In between there are such factors as 5. Now 26 has got 1 and 26, here 2 and 13, because 13 2s are 26. So we can see that 25 and 26 are consecutive numbers. Plus they have got only number 1 as the common factor, and hence 25, 26 are co-prime numbers, and we are supposed to put a circle around them. Now 3 and 5. 3 and 5, there is a difference of 2, and secondly we can see that 3 has got 1 and 3 factors, and 5 has got 1 and 5 as the factor. So 2 factors are each one is having 2 factors. So both the conditions for the twin prime numbers are fulfilled. Only 2 factors for each, and secondly there is a difference of 2 between the given numbers. So this is a twin prime number jodi, and hence we are supposed to put a square around this jodi.